Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Life Hacker. Today I am going to try of making a helicopter that actually fly. I had tried so many times before but didn't got success. But this time I am pretty much confident on this design. So let's go. For this we need 2 DC motor, 1 wire, 1 compass box and 1 battery. And I am making a wings of our helicopter from this compass box. So first draw wings on the compass box. Which is 8 by 1.5 centimeter, and then cut that. Now locate the center of the wings. And now make a hole in the center to fix on the shaft. I am using use and throw pen to fix our wings on the shaft better. Now stick them with the shaft with a strong gum. I am using a glue gun here. Now our wings and motor are ready. We need to give a shape of wings like this. Now we need to make a frame to fix our motor. So this is a frame made with a wire which is so light in weight so a helicopter can carry it. Now fix our motor on the each end and fix them with the tape. Now our helicopter design is almost ready and we just need to give a power. And keep in mind that our both the rotors are rotating in opposite direction so that it can neglect the force which they are applying on a frame. So finally now I am connecting it with a battery. Let's see what's happening. Oh my god. It was flying but I think it was unbalanced. So I am using a thread by tying it in each force center to control it. And let's see what happens. And yes, it is flying with a better stable position. Wow. Wow. So it can carry its own weight and frames weight. But I need to work on design so that it can be balanced. So I will keep updating my design and keep uploading new videos. You can subscribe my channel Indian Life Hacker so that you can get my upcoming video regularly. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and if you want to ask something, you can comment below. And if you want to see more videos, you can click here or you can go to my channel to see more videos. Thanks for watching video. Have a good day. Ayo.